Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to promote your videos, your pictures and your products by simply using the promo feature on the TikTok app. Let's launch a TikTok app. Click on the lower right corner first, guys. Then you want to click on the upper right and click on the three straight lines. Then you want to click on the first option, which is Creator Tools. When you're over here, guys, I want you to come over here on the second menu, which is relation towards making money and monetization. So the second menu over here, more tools, gives you the option to promote. If you click on promote, you will see how everything actually works. So this is, first of all, part of your videos will appear over here. So you can switch and you can pick another video to promote from your current published videos, right? The second thing that you want to pay attention to is that there are different promotional pack. You're getting different things if you pay different money, which I believe is not new. So the main idea over here is that if you want to get a 1000 plus views, it will cost you $5.83. If you want to get over here, as you can see, plus 2000 views, it will cost you around $12. Plus 6,000 views, it will cost you $35, and 24,000 views, it will cost you $139. Again, very important thing over here is that first time when you use it, TikTok is giving you a coupon over here. As you can see, I have a coupon which downsizes the actual cost with $3.50. What I see over here is that it looks like it is very expensive to run ads. This 1000 views you could probably get with Instagram or Facebook ads. Probably you can do the same thing with Twitter ads for a fraction of the cost. Probably it will cost you around $2, $2.50, maybe $3 max to get this. Okay, so there is a upscale over here, and I don't see a reason for you why you would promote a video which does not include a product, right? It has to be a sales pitch. It cannot be simply, going out for followers or viewers. The next section over here is your dashboard. This is where you're gonna see the conversion. You will be able to, compute the cost per acquisition, how much it costs you to generate a new follower or to generate a new views, because you saw this is an approximate amount they give you. They don't say that this is the flat amount of views you're going to get. Also, you're going to get how many likes, how many shares. Then you can compare your natural organic performance versus the paid one. Okay. And the last section over here, it's mine. This is essentially where you will be able to see what coupons are available for you to use given by TikTok. And then you will be able to see the reward center, which over here, they will show you, okay, you spent $1,000, we gave you $100 worth of coupons, you save $100, something like this, nothing crazy. And then you have another functions over here. For example, if you want to pay for someone else's promotion, right, or you want to create a separate department in your business, you want to hire someone to do all this, you want simply to add him, and you want to add a manager, someone who will be managing all this and who will be creating the ads. And it's like that. It's like you're hiring someone to manage your Instagram page or manage your Twitter account or manage your overall social media. Again, guys, I don't think it's too crazy. Probably if you have a TikTok shop and if you want to promote and run TikTok ads, maybe you will have a better output. Sure, people are looking for different results, but in my opinion, you will get the best money for your buck if you probably try to scale down on particular niche rather than going for the randomness. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.